We are done here. Today is going to be a different type of video. We're saying goodbye. We're moving on to bigger and better things. Come on. We have a brand new studio. It's bigger, it's lit better, and it's ready for you because we want to continue to do these DIY projects. So come on in. You're also going to be seeing some new faces around here. Here we have Damien and Hannah for our new channel called Sayorite Workbench. They focus on products, tips, and short-form DIY projects. Be sure to subscribe to the Sayorite Workbench as well as our channel if you've not already subscribed. That way you can be up to date on all the latest products and DIY videos. See you in the next video.